Glenhaven is a family-run business that has been in operation for over 35 years. One of the biggest challenges that we've had is that as the business continues to grow, we've had an increase in our requirements for manual labour. So one of the opportunities that we've identified is that as we grow, we can utilise the likes of Robotiq palletizers to help support that growth.
Our installation services apply the Lean Robotics methodology in all of our projects. So this means start simple and bring added value. For a customer who want to automate with us, the first step will be to scope their needs. Why they want to automate, what do they want to achieve. Then after this, we will be looking at their manual process and how we go from there to the automated process. And the outcome of that will be that they have a complete proposal for our turnkey services.
One of the benefits of putting in the Robotiq palletizer is that it reduces the risk of ergonomic strain as a result of palletizing boxes manually.
The design process will start with a kickoff, with our staff meeting the customer, reviewing the business proposal.
After that, to get the ball rolling, then was weekly meetings where we had everything sourced.
We will review with our end user everything that was done for them so that they approve before we manufacture and ship. It's usually done within 4 weeks, maybe 6 weeks in more complex case.
There's good communication there between Robotiq and us at the minute. Project management, it was remote, but it was very thorough. All we had to do in the factory for Robotiq's installation was have an air supply and electric.
The goal of FAT is to eliminate risk. Basically, we want to test anything that has been done custom or any potential risk that could be seen. Commonly, we need to adapt our standard solution so that they fit on the factory floor. So it's basically a checklist of everything that we need to test before going to the factory. Once we show up for the installation, everything is usually very short. The typical installation will be 3 days. A first day for the commissioning, so physical setup, assembly. A second day where we will be operating in production. It means that we get the production running and we will fine-tune the program and adjust our palletizer to get the optimal performance. When we complete our installation, we will always have operators training. So we will train the operator to be autonomous so that they know how to use the palletizer day to day, start, stop, change patterns, this kind of thing. We will give them maintenance training also.
The simplicity of the cobot for users was sort of one thing that sort of appealed to me, and how it was user friendly.
The Robotiq palletizer, it's simple and it's a fast track solution that will provide a return on investments. But also one of the services that Robotiq provide is the project management, and it's a turnkey solution.
We support our customers on the long run, first and foremost with the autonomy, so providing them with remote support. It solves the vast majority of the problem we see. Robotiq has staff in Americas, Europe and Asia, so it allows us to be in all time zone and answer our customer. And we will have on-site service if it's needed.
The Robotiq palletizer is a taster around what cobots and robots can do within the factory. So really, it's a very quick, fast, simple solution, and it's one that can be rolled out at pace across multiple lines within a factory.